guys, and welcome back to Bees Away. I'm so happy that you've clicked into the video, and I really hope you enjoy today's vlog. It is one down at the beach, and Tim teaches me how to drive a manual, and tomorrow I'm going up to Auckland. So honestly, I have no idea where I'm going with this, but I'd like to round up the troops, i.e. my brother and sisters and their partners, and do a workout. They don't actually know this yet, but they will know very soon, and I will put it up on the YouTube in my next video, so that should be a fun one to do, and it will be a follow along, and obviously at home if you're still enjoying workouts at home. So I was gonna put some makeup on, but then I just thought, nah, it's a beautiful day, and also I've just come off night shifts, so you know, just want to leave the face bare, and it's cleared up so much. I used to have like this really red patchy stuff here, and it's kind of gone. My face is always quite naturally red though, but it's a combination of possibly going onto the pill, which has helped clear up my skin. Just like, it was kind of like a red patchy, it was like a rash, I don't know what it was, never got it seen, but I got some new skincare products which have actually been an absolute game changer. They are, I'll just show you now real quick. They are, hello, can I put you, okay, here they are here. Is this one here? Lebonix liquid oil, rose hip, evening primrose, and jojoba oil, and it's honestly, it's so nice. And I just put a bit on now because, okay, that is just it smells so good. It's just so hydrating. And then I got the serum to go with it too. This one here. That one is comfrey licorice, camel, and tea tree, so really soothing. Oh, that is so fresh. And then this moisturizer here, which is jojoba, licorice, echinacea, and tea tree. But I won't do that now. I'm not going to do a full skincare regime. But oh, it just makes it so, look at that glow. Loving that for me. Anyway, would recommend those if you've got really sensitive skin, because I was going through this phase of going to Mecca, my favourite skincare shop, you know, when you just go in and you just get sucked into everything. So no, and actually I don't think, they were kind of like quite harsh, the products. I think they were kind of, my skin's quite sensitive, so they were kind of making it, what's the word, like react a little bit more to my skin. So I've gone for like the organic and natural products, and they've been really amazing. The one product that from Mecca that is still delicious and a holy grail is actually my bestie gave it to me for Christmas. It's the, okay, this is my nearly used up one which I had before she gave me, but this one's got a little bit of mold in there, so don't mind that. It's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and if you put that on top of the products that I just used, oh, literally smells like watermelon. Anyway, I think that is enough chit chat. Let's get into the beach day. First up, I feel a little montage going in for you because it was such a beautiful drive down to the beach. So I hope you enjoy it, and be sure to like and subscribe. Ollie, get in my seat. Yeah, Ollie can have the front seat.
look in your ocean eyes, you are the sunshine. I'm not gonna let you go.
Whereabouts, mate?
That's where we were yesterday.
Oh yeah?
We drove around there, around the point, drove down the river.
Oh, and then we came around and all the way down the road, eh?
No, but just now we crossed
Yeah.
the bridge over there.
Oh,
all
yeah?
the way around and around there.
Hey!
We are going to teach you how to drive the manual
Okay.
on a truck
Out in the middle of the beach.
in the middle of the beach, which is quite difficult. But you got one thing in hand, is that you're in low range,
Okay.
which means it's going to be easier with your clutch.
Okay.
So, are you in neutral or are you in gear?
I have no idea.
That's neutral. Look at the stick.
Yeah.
Me doing this means that
Okay.
you're going all the way across.
Okay.
So that's neutral. That's
Yeah.
first, second, third, fourth, fifth. But
Okay.
you were only going to first, maybe
Okay.
maybe second.
Okay. Okay. I got this.
Right. We are going. Plan is to turn straight left straight away.
Okay. And do I put my foot on what? Why are there three things down there?
So your right one, it's all the same,
Yeah.
apart from your left one is your
Yeah.
clutch.
Okay. Am I
And-
close enough, do you reckon?
No.
That's good, eh?
Push your left foot in. Yeah, all the way. Can you push it all the way in?
Yeah.
Just?
Yeah, just.
Can you go further?
forward?
Yeah. Yep, push it all. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
So, clutch in.
In like that?
Yep. Keep
Oh,
it
you
in.
have to have quite a strong lead to
Yeah.
do that.
Turn your key on.
Okay.
No. It's a diesel, so you have to wait for the glow plug.
Oh,
Oh, there's Ollie.
what's the guy chasing a bitch?
Glow plug is. Right, turn it on.
Like there?
Glow plug's that little coily thing. Yeah, it just turned off. So now turn it on. And then on the accelerator.
This one?
Yeah, that's the accelerator.
Push it.
Yep. There
Oh
we
my
go.
God,
so
I'm
you're
scared.
revving.
Okay.
Right. Don't touch the accelerator. Puts in the clutch,
Okay.
which means your gears are disengaged.
Yeah.
Now put your foot in first gear.
So, da and up.
Yep. Oh, it's actually quite hard. So across, up.
Okay.
Try it. Yeah.
Up.
And now slowly let go of the clutch.
Okay. Oh my god.
Slowly.
What if
And
we
then-
go into
and
the
then
ocean?
turn. You won't. You need a little bit more gas than that.
Oh my god, stress.
So, clutch in.
I'm so
Clutch in.
stressed. Like that?
Yeah. Out of gear. No, out of gear. Yeah.
Like that?
That's out of gear.
Yeah. Should I turn the engine on and off?
Off. Yeah.
Okay.
And then give it a little bit of throttle when you turn it on.
Okay, should I turn it on like
Yeah.
that?
Yep.
And
turn it
now on?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. What's throttle?
The one that you're on right now.
Okay.
The same one as your car.
Okay.
Only
Accelerator.
only extra one you've got is your clutch.
What does the clutch do?
Just disengages the gear from the engine.
Okay. I'll pretend I know.
Right, first gear. Push it up and up. Yep. And then give it a little bit of throttle.
Throttle?
Yep. And then let go of the clutch.
Do you think else enough throttle?
Slowly, yeah. Right. That way. Yeah, now you can take your foot off that pedal
Okay.
all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we're driving.
This way?
Yep, we're going this way.
Into the water?
No, not into the water. We're going to try and go up there. So we'll
Okay.
turn left now.
Do you
Turn
have
left.
enough space?
Left. Now go. Yep.
I'm driving a manual.
You haven't changed gear yet.
Do we need to change gear?
You
Do you have to keep this here the whole time?
Just don't, no, that's fine.
Okay. I was getting so sore.
Right, go in between all the rocks, all the... Wait. Slow down a bit. You're in one gear. I'm not going to make you change gear yet because it's
Okay.
quite hard.
Okay.
Because you have to do it really quick because you're on the sand.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're going to go that way. highway.
Yeah.
And then what you're going to do is let go of the accelerator, push the clutch in, and then into second straight down. Okay?
I did it!
All the way in, all the way in.
Is that it?
Oh, you need to push the clutch in further. It was a bit rough.
Oh, okay. Should I go back to first?
Oh, he's way down there. We're going down there.
Okay.
It's
Where
just
is he?
there.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay, which way now?
That way. Stay in second.
I'm driving a manual, Tim. Hey! Oh, come on, there we go. Okay, which way? It's quite hard navigating along this.
Yeah, you gotta keep an eye out.
Oh, should I just go the way you came?
Yeah. That's actually quite a little bit more difficult sometimes. Alright, we're gonna stop up by Ollie.
Okay. Lisa. It is hard driving on the sand, eh?
Yeah, it's not like a tar seal.
You can do more wheelies on here.
Not quite.
Oh, you can get a shot of Ollie. He looks so cute. Is he chasing the seal? He's on the prowl.
Yeah, right, we're gonna stop at this point.
Okay, how do you stop?
Right, to stop, all you're gonna do is push the left clutch in. Yeah, the left pedal in. Yeah, now we're stopped.
And then neutral?
Yeah. So we don't need to use a brake on the beach.
Oh, okay.
On the beach.
Oh, okay.
You do on the car.
On the road.
On the road.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how do you turn it off? Just turn the key.
That's a neutral. Yeah,
Yeah.
turn it back off. Yeah.
I had my first ever manual lesson.
On the beach.
Hi, babe.
That's right.
On the beach. Tim's taken over the driving again. Got to catch up to Ollie. Runaway dog.
Runaway dog.
Put your pedals in the wheels. Ollie.
Ollie.
Toodles Tim's trotting away.
It seems good luck's finally on my side. She pulls the sheets off of me.
He's a boy. Go, Ollie.
Rise. Yeah, she brings me back to life.
Music bed.
I got you, honey, and you
Here we go. Bye, beach.
got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.